This video will cover the review and reflect for the topic of solving log equations. For the review, we are asked to rewrite log equations in the form of exponential and to rewrite exponential equations into logarithmic forms. The big key thing to remember here is that if we have a base to some exponent, it's equal to some argument. If we want to rewrite it in terms of log, we will actually get the log of that same base of the argument and have it equal to the exponent. One way to remember this is that we get our base to the exponent to get you to the argument. So let's do that for number 1. Our base is 49, and then we're going to put it to this exponent of 1/2, and that's going to equal to the argument of x. So we can actually solve this because we do know 49 to the 1/2 power. Remember that the 1/2 power means the square root of 49. And we can find that to be 7. So we can actually solve this problem as x is equal to 7. Let's try the next one. We're going to have 10 as our base to the exponent of x, and that will equal to our argument of 50. Since we can't get the same base, we cannot solve this one. And we don't know the exponent for x such that 10 to that exponent would equal to 50. For number 3, our base is going to be x. It's going to be the exponent of 2, and that's going to equal to the argument of 5. We can solve this one by taking the square root of both sides, and we'll find that x is equal to the square root of 5. Normally, we would think about considering plus or minus, but because the base is x, we know that the base has to be positive. Therefore, we know that our answer is just going to be the square root of 5. Going to number 4, to rewrite this in logarithmic form, we need to identify the base. In this case, it's 13, so I'm going to write down log of base 13. And we know the exponent is x, that's what's going to equal to the other side, and our argument is 72. We'll do the same thing for number 5. We're going to find that our base is 1/4, so it's going to be the log of 1/4. Our exponent is 3, so that's going to be on the other side, and our argument is equal to x. And the last one, we're going to have our base is x, log of base x to our exponent of 2, and our argument is equal to 7. So these 3 different problems that I chose is to show you that we can have our variable as the exponent, our variable as the argument, and our variable as the base. Same thing happened over here. We had x as our argument, we had x as the exponent, and we had x as the base. Now let's turn our attention to the reflect of the page. After the lecture videos, you will be able to reflect about solving an exponential equation in which the bases are the same. This has been covered in previous lectures, but we're also going to solve problems in which the bases are different. That concludes this video.